For many people who struggle financially, it's not just about the lack of money, it's how they see the world. Some view wealth as something only achievable by a select few, or they think making money is almost impossible. But what if I told you that it's not reality that's holding them back, but how they perceive it? Hey James, welcome to MoneyMind Quest. In today's video, we're breaking down why the rich always seem out of reach and why many people stay poor. If you're new to the quest, stick around until the end to take our financial literacy test designed to sharpen your money skills. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the MoneyMind Quest James and start your journey toward wealth. Let's dive in. Let's start with the big one. Why do so many people remain stuck in a cycle of poverty? It's not just about money, it's about mindset. People with a broke mentality spend a lot of time distracted, whether it's binge watching Netflix or playing video games. They're avoiding reality. Why? Because confronting where they are in life is hard. Facing financial struggles head on is uncomfortable. So many choose distractions instead. But then there's the group that works hard every day, yet they're stuck in low leverage activities. This means they're spending hours in jobs or tasks that don't significantly increase their financial growth. For example, you can work 60 hours a week at a low-wage job, but it's nearly impossible to become wealthy doing that. On the other hand, someone with the right skills can make a high-level business deal in just a few hours, leveraging their time for a massive return. Time is one of the most valuable resources we have, and how you use it determines your success. Wealthy individuals have mastered the art of leverage. They've figured out how to get the most return for the least time investment. That's because they invest in their skill set. For example, someone skilled in real estate could secure a deal that brings in huge returns, not because they had money to start with, but because they had the skill. The key takeaway: people who stay poor often don't invest in learning and improving their skills. They're either wasting time or working in areas with minimal growth potential. But those who want to change their lives need to focus on developing skills that increase their value and earning power. One of the most effective ways to break the poverty cycle is by investing in education. And by education, I don't just mean school. Real-world, practical skills are often far more valuable than traditional degrees. Think of it this way: investing in a skill that increases your earning potential is one of the smartest things you can do. For example, a 17-year-old working a minimum wage job might feel stuck. But by spending just $500 on a 2-day certification to become a phlebotomist, they could earn significantly more. Yes, it's an upfront cost, but the return is quick and worth the investment. This is the mindset shift people need to make, recognizing that certain investments in yourself pay off quickly and are essential to increasing your financial opportunities. Quick reminder, champs, make sure to stick around till the end of the video to take our financial literacy fitness test. It's designed to help you evaluate and improve your money management skills. Let's dive back in. One of the traps of poverty is being stuck in a job with low leverage. These jobs may pay the bills but don't offer much potential for growth. For example, you can work all day in retail or food service, but no matter how hard you work, the ceiling on your earning potential is low. Compare that to someone who has developed high-level skills like marketing, sales, or investing. These people can see exponential growth in their earnings. The rich focus on high-leverage activities. They don't work harder, they work smarter. They learn the skills that multiply their efforts, whether that's negotiating deals, managing large-scale projects, or creating systems that generate income without constant effort. Here's something that often gets overlooked: mentorship. People who succeed financially often have mentors who guide them, give them advice, and hold them accountable. But here's the catch: mentors aren't always going to be free. In fact, many successful individuals pay for coaching or mentorship because they recognize the value in learning from someone who's already been where they want to go. If you want to get ahead, seek out those who have achieved what you're striving for. And don't be afraid to invest in learning from them, whether it's through courses, coaching, or just spending time with them. Another major difference between the rich and the poor is how they view opportunities. For someone stuck in a poverty mindset, the idea of buying a business or flipping real estate may seem impossible. But for those who understand leverage and skill, these are realistic opportunities that don't necessarily require a huge amount of money up front. Instead, they require knowledge and the ability to act on that knowledge. Many rich individuals started with little and built their wealth through high leverage opportunities that others didn't see or couldn't act on. This mindset of looking for ways to maximize returns on time and effort is key to staying out of poverty and achieving financial success. Lastly, the rich don't just rely on one skill, they build multiple skills that complement each other. Think of Jay-Z, for example. He didn't just become successful by rapping, he learned how to write, produce, market, perform, and manage a business. each skill stacked on top of the other, multiplying his success. For someone starting out, you need to master everything at once, but you should always be working on adding new skills that enhance your overall value. Whether it's learning how to sell, building a brand, or managing a team, each skill makes you more dangerous in the business world and accelerates your path to financial freedom. So champs, the key difference between staying poor and becoming wealthy often comes down to mindset, skills, and leverage. The rich know how to use their time wisely, invest in their education, and constantly seek out new opportunities. If you want to break out of the cycle of poverty, it's time to start thinking and acting differently. Be sure to check out our audiobook of The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace Wattles. Now that you've made it to the end, don't forget to take our financial literacy fitness test using the link in the description below to see where you stand and improve your money management skills. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join the MoneyMind Quest, champs on the road to wealth. Stay focused, stay motivated, and let's stay wealthy together.